Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this review are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. Today, we're diving into OneMain Financial and their personal loan options. You can find their website at www.onemainfinancial.com/personal-loans. OneMain Financial offers a range of personal loan solutions tailored to individual needs. Whether you're consolidating debt, financing a home improvement project, covering unexpected expenses, or planning a major purchase, they might have a loan product for you. It's important to carefully consider your borrowing needs and repayment capabilities before committing to any loan. OneMain Financial provides resources on their website to help you understand the terms and conditions of their loans, including interest rates, fees, and repayment schedules. Make sure to thoroughly explore these resources to make an informed decision. They often have different loan offerings with varying APRs, loan amounts, and repayment terms. Comparing these options is crucial to finding the best fit for your financial situation. Don't forget to factor in potential origination fees or other associated costs when evaluating the overall cost of borrowing. While OneMain Financial can be a valuable resource for accessing credit, remember to always borrow responsibly and within your means. Budgeting and financial planning are essential steps to take before applying for any loan. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to discuss your specific needs and determine the best course of action for your individual circumstances. Be sure to explore all available lending options and compare rates and terms from multiple lenders before making a final decision. OneMain Financial represents one possibility among many, so doing your homework is essential. Remember, responsible borrowing is key to a healthy financial future. Be sure to check the description below for helpful links related to personal finance and borrowing.